If you've been wondering what it takes to get started with an online business, stay tuned and I'll give you a quick overview of what's involved. Hi, I'm Renee, and in this video I'm going to give you 5 keys to get started with your first online business. The first is to identify your audience. Who will you serve? What challenge can you help them solve? And pinpoint your best solution. Number 2, you want to create a digital hub. Get your blog started and set it up with any type of branding or logos that you need. Create foundational pages and posts. Create any type of landing pages or download pages that you'll need in order to capture leads. Create any type of internal links, and also be sure to add a call to action. Number 3, build an email list. Create value-building lead magnets. You'll definitely want to build a sales funnel. You'll need to create an email autoresponder sequence of messages that will allow you to build a relationship with the people on your list. Number 4, getting traffic. You want to make sure that you also create social media profiles. Develop a content marketing plan. Get started with things like making videos or podcasting. Anything that can draw in the right audience and traffic that you need in order to build your email list, and don't be afraid at some point to start investing in paid traffic. Last but not least, number 5, your offer. This is where you'll deliver on your promise to your target audience. After you've done your research in number 1, you can present your offer to your ideal customer. Whether it's a membership, affiliate product, a course, a done-for-you product or service, or maybe even some type of downloadable digital product. Whatever you choose, this is the moment you'll provide value to your ideal customer and start making money. Now, these are just some of the initial keys you'll want to consider to jumpstart your online business. So tell me a little bit more in the comments. What's your current motivation to start an online business? Leave a comment for me below and share either your excitement or maybe even your concerns about getting started. Take a look at the next video to get some ideas on what to offer so you can start earning soon. Like the video, subscribe for more tips, and I'll see you next time.